Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to sell digital products in Gumroad 2025. First of all, in whether you are selling ebooks, courses or templates or any other digital products, I will walk you through the entire process so you can just sell. Now getting started on Gumroad, head over to gumroad.com. Here you will see featured products from others creators which can give us some inspiration on what you might want to sell. Now let's talk about their pricing. As you can see, just click on the pricing. Now simple, they have very good structure. As you can see, per transaction for all sales through your profile or direct links to your customer. So it will take 10% plus every sales it will they will take from you from like 0.50% cent 0.50% cent. So now in the second per transaction, when new customer find and buy from your from you through our discover marketplace, so they will take 30 percentage of your profits. Now just let's create your Gumroad account. In order to do that, first of all, just click on the start selling. If you have already an account, just simply click on the login option, or if you don't have, just click on the start selling. Now if you will get these options, you can just sign up with the Google. I will just go with the Google. Click on the tech your Gmail, click on the continue. Now you have to enter the token. uh, you have they have sent an authentication token to my Gmail address, so I will just copy that and paste it over here. Now from here, just click on the login. Now we have created successfully our account. So from here you have to upload your first product. Now that's your account is ready. Click on your create your first product. From here, as you can see here, just simply click on the this. Now from here you have to give a product name, and after that you have to choose the product type. Like you, if you have a digital product or ebook or membership, in my case I will just simply click on the ebook. Or now you have to set the price as well. You can change the currency if needed, but USD is widely accepted. I will set mine as dollar. So if you want to give your product a price, so you can give that too. Just add your product name. For example, I will just I will just say comic, select ebook and give the price. So for example, I will give $20 for the price. Just click on this next customize option. Now as you can see here, I have already given the name. Now you have to give a description, brief description. Now if you don't know about like you not able to create a you're not able to describe your products, what you can do is simply go on the chat GPT or create a good description from the chat GPT as well. Now from here you can create URL or add your URL, or if you want to add a custom domain name, you can do as well that. Now if you want to add, if now from here you have to upload a cover page of your uh, comic, whatever your uh, product is. Now if you don't know how to create a cover, you can just, what you can do is to go to Canva and create a cover for your comic. Now just click on the create design and click comic book. Just find the inspiration from, or you can use templates as well. For this I will just simply choose this one. For this tutorial I will choose this one, the story of my love, just written by no one, and just click on download button and just download it. So you got your cover of for your uh, comic. Now if you want to choose thumbnail, you can do that as well. This image appears in the Gumroad library. Discover and profile pages. Your image should be square, at least 6 by 6, and GPG in PNG or GIF format. So this is the requirement for thumbnails. So I have added the cover page. Now I have to upload the thumbnail as well. Now I will simply go on the Canva again. Just simply click on this. Now create a design. Now I have to create a custom design now. Now they have given a instruction which at least our file have 1600 by 1600 pixels and in the form of JPG. Now what will I do? I will just click 1600 and 1600 in pixels and create a design. Now I will just simply choose the template for my comic. I will just choose this kind of back to love story. I will just download it in the form of PNG and just upload in the Gumroad thumbnail. Now just select the thumbnail, open it, and it is uploading over here. Now from here you have to enter your product information. Now you have to choose call to action, buy this, I want this, and pay. Just buy this. Now you have to give a summary. So if you want to give a summary, you can just enter. I have added the summary. Now if you want to add additional details like pages or value, you can add that too. So just simply click on add details, attributes, values, whatever you want to do, you can. Now if you want to do integration like inviting your customer to a circle community, or you can invite your customer to a Discord server, you can do that as well. Now you have to simply click on the connect Discord to if you want to invite your customer to your Discord server. Now I don't want to do that now. Now if you will, now here you have this pricing section where you can allow a customer to pay what they want. Like if you enable this, the customer will pay what he thinks he has to pay. For example, the my comic price is $20, but if he wants to pay me $10, he can. But you can set minimum amount as well, so that's not the issue. You can just add suggest amount. You can 30. You can suggest as well. If you don't want that, you can just deselect. Now if you want to allow customer to pay in installments, you can do that as well. You can increase this equal monthly payments or decrease as well. Now from here you have to offer, if you want to offer variation of this product, you can just simply add a version of it. Just click on add. From here you have to enter the name and the description and the amount as well. So for now I don't want to enter the additional products. Now from here you can settings, you can manage the settings, limit product sales. If the product is limited, you can just click on the limit product and enter the amount you have the stocks. Now if you want to allow customer to choose a quantity, you can do that as well. If you want to choose your customer to publicly show the number of sales on your product page, now just simply click on that if you want. Right now I don't want to show that. Now if you want to show mark product as a publication for VAT purpose, you can do that as well. So I have done that. Now just simply save and continue. Now from here you have to now here you have to enter the content you want to sell or upload your file or start typing. Now I have to upload my file. What will I do? I will upload my file over here. Just simply drag the PDF. and as you can see, my comic book has been uploading. Now, after uploading the whole file or PDF, just click on the publish and continue. Now, if you want to upload or publish after some time, you can just simply click on save changes. Right now, I will just simply click on publish and continue. It will ask you to wait for time. Now, from here, I can share my product. Now, as you can see here, my comic book has been published by Gumroad. Now, right now I have not set up the payment method. Now let's just do that. To set up a payment method, just scroll down a little bit in left side. You will get to see this setting option. Click over there. From there, you have to go to the payments. Click on that payments. Now it will ask you to where are you located. Right now I'm in India. Now to ensure prompt payouts, please check off each item. Now you have to have a valid government issued photo ID. Now I have a proof of residence within the country. If I am signing up as a business, it register in the country above. So just simply click on these three terms, save it. Now you will got the payment version done. So just scroll down a little bit, you will get to see this payout schedule. So you can schedule your payout. You can get weekly, monthly, or quarterly as well. So it depends on you what when your product got sale. So when you want payment get. So in my case, I will just choose monthly. Minimum payout threshold is $30, $300. Now, if you want to pause a payment, they won't be processed until you decide to resume them, and your balance will remain in your account until then. Just click on that if you want that, or I will simply, in my case, I will just simply disable it. Now, in the payout method section, you will get to see this PayPal. You can connect your PayPal as well, or you can connect your bank account as well. So all the sale will incur fees based on how customer find your product. If direct sale happens, it will take 10% and 50 cents on as a C. Now credit card fees as well. Now if they discover your product by their marketplace, they will cut 30% of your profits. Now you have to enter the full name or account holder if you are connecting your bank, and you have to give the IFC code, account number, and confirm the account. Now if you hold individual account, you can just simply click on the account type. If you own the business account, you can just redirect from individual to business. Now you have to add a legal business name and type of your legal business name. Now after that, you have to enter the address. Now you have to select the city, postal code, and country as well. Now if you have a business phone number, you can enter that too. If you have a company tax ID, you can enter that too. Now if same as business, you have to enter your name, last name, address, city, postal code, and country, and your phone number and date of birth. So this is what it takes to set up a payment method. Now, if you want to connect your PayPal with this Gumroad, you can just simply click on the PayPal, and from here you have to enter your PayPal email. If you have a PayPal account of business, you can just simply click on the business. If you have individual, you can just click on the individual. Now if you hold legal business name, you can just simply click on the business name. If you are selected individual, you have to just enter your first name, last name, and address and city. If you choose business, but you have to enter your legal business name and type of your legal business name. Now you have to enter the address of your office or your where you operate, from where you operate this business. Now you have to enter the city, postal code, whatever. You have to enter all of the details. So after entering the whole details or linking your PayPal, you will get to see that your what you enter after the sale, you will get receive earning from your sales. Now you have to publish and promote your product. Once everything looks good, hit publish. You will get unique product link that you can share on social media. Just simply click on update after filling all the details regarding the product. Now just click on the product. You will get to see this share icon, or from here you can share your product from just clicking on this button, or you can create affiliate link as well. If you want to become an affiliate, you can do that as well. If you want to do a collab, you can do that too. Now some tips I will give you to increase your sales, which is posting short videos about your products on your TikTok and Instagram reels as well. Now writing a blog post on or Twitter threads about the topics. You can run limited time. You can run you can run limited time discounts to attract buyers. Now that's it. You have just set up your first digital product on a Gumroad. Now focus on promoting it and driving traffic to your page.